never know when the urge to have good Mexican food will hit, and so here's a fast and easy recipe for chicken quesadillas with a surprise ingredient. And why not start off with a surprise? What I've done is I've boiled potato cubes in salted boiling water, but I'm not making mashed potatoes. They're drained and I've set them aside, and I've got some olive oil heating in a pan, and I'll now saute some bacon and diced onion. Now I'm going to add those cubed potatoes that I boiled up, and we'll saute those until they're brown. Then I'll turn down the heat, add some cubed chicken, and some diced jalapeno, and some chopped parsley. Now I've got 2 corn tortillas on a baking tray that I brushed with olive oil and I turned over. And now I will put some cheese, Monterey Jack, on the bottom of each of these tortillas. And then spoon an equal amount of the chicken, potato, and bacon mixture on each of the tortillas. And then I'll top with another tortilla, brush it with olive oil, put it in the oven at 500 degrees, and bake it until they're nicely golden brown. I cut each quesadilla into 4 pieces, and on the plate they go with a side of salsa, sour cream, and cilantro, and a nice cold cerveza wouldn't be so bad either. Oh, don't forget to write for the recipe, because I'll send it to you if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Muchas gracias for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.